believers and not thinkers.
Yeah. So once again, you know, when you're young, you believe everything, but when you grow, you need to question them. These are some questions. Very relevant. Don't be offended. Get that music. Alright, yeah. Many so time maybe movie as me no me no. And I used to be baby Sunday be an away. Fisa free to take a Christo 40 Jesus is coming soon 2019 years ago. And so still I won't do. Common sense in you maintenance and why you garden of feeding or Yakupo sit behind the wembo. Yeah. To be the marble summer went to. But yeah, was on some Maya Bonia Bekujebo. When you blasphemy, but I'm going to say it make sense. On the ball me or my dinner for self defense. When I go on somebody Paya Bonia, I then I won't couldn't feel to avoid more offense. But when people some no ba. Before then, we people who move in Keka, or not this room for wait a minute, Aquanantena. I didn't get just as on a Yabasha Manajaconia. Eh, who be the enemy? Samoka Sabon Samoa, a Sunday so funny. O Christonia, Unido, Munyami Sumponi. Now, one pay to that we need making more money. And Pabon said your economy, so shut up. Use the common sense. Yet you might have woman, Nina with daily bread, not to wait up at the offense. O Paso, you one go, body in the church. Who to see the most of one, and you didn't have cash. We don't go home, we need bank account. Yameso Pani so Bebeka Krakow Yanka, which you will type to your dues, they would $1. And so make us say you be part of your Pampa. We don't respect Yamaria Simon Senior Meal. We don't go home, you say Yameso Mania when you're home. It's we a lawyer near, we a doctor near, we a teacher near, didn't cry and one alone. CSF Abraham Moshe. Nana Yaton Kantamaka Ghana says it's a religion, Kamia, yes, and Yansan Yuma Piemo. Yatu Yankocha Natina Kofa Bruni Diano, which your friend was saying was your friend Frederick. And so who Bruni be your friend of Kofi Konto, Yaya identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Bruni said they get it, that's why we be nimble. I don't know what body nibbre, will be anywhere what champion be as he can't have one pay, what Brody Capra, and they talk it here. It's the Africa, Yatu Yanema Yamopo. Your friend is away, you name a Bomo.
Yo, atiefo anopai so ye bechi obia na yamobia akwaba mechiachi obia anopai ye musumfo nsangokoji ojumora aka Yahuda enande magia agwai am say amanfo ahase type say Jimmy sir, what is the useless ai me pese wote ase say minim dia matwero ena minim dia me be yeden me be kenkan nti mesrewa nyabote na ri na tie mefa akwanya iso na machia common sense abusiafo nyina bebi obia wo bia from day one muna muso ya ase ade bedu sesi nti yesre mo se embre ni da nyina mu no support bi esese mo de ba ye be koye na mo de aba na ye de akoye ni wo hwe me topic na matwero God and Jesus who is wise nyankopon ni Yesu hwan no nim nyansa ye the Bible be cheke yesre mo ye pamucho bebre yesre mo Jumadie na yedi no ene nkyerɛkyerɛ na ye no yenwura obi dan enkotwe obi aba obi aso yenwura obi dam entwitio obi aso yenwura obi dam sebi enforce obi ase kyenkye na achen ye ba brabehwe ye page ena wo Facebook ena hu se ye de bibia beto wo nti yesrɛ mpre bia sase wo mpa eno se wotwam enya temdidie because ye ba ye ndidi obi aten I'm saying, you share their videos are your boss here and there 3 days, you know, it was so marvelous, serious. How mankind created God in his own image. Why am I creating Yankopon? Bookie, creating, and creating Yankopon the same. Now, the kind creating Yankopon in the Old Testament. And here Jimmy, and I may back to here Yankopon Jimmy in the Old Testament. And person and say, New Testament, no. Jesus me Yesu no buy no. Yesu no buy no. Onimnyansa say Nyankopon in the Old Testament. Ma quotation na to me be kinkan. Nti ye ba no. Eya ye the Bible na ye de e na e ba. Nti wo ba me ni atem. Here adventure any critical thinking. Question wontimi mbisa. E no na ye break na ewuram na ye de na ebisa. Se wo me ka kire wo se Nyankopon ye kwasea. Wo be ka se me ka bususem sebi mprebiasa se me ka se Nyankopon oye weak Nyankopon oye mrea wo be ka se me ka bususem na me ndi Nyankopon di but e wo Bible num se Nyankopon sebi oye kwasea me ko tu akire wo e wo Bible mu se Nyankopon oye weak oye mrea e wo Bible mu hunhui enu nti da bia Abraham di Moshe se so yo no Moshe na mu nyini ni o se mo Bible no na munyi ni o a Christofo ye dwe mo ho a ye nte ase ena mo ankasa a Christofo na ankasa mo problems a mo anu mo solve wie ena yesan de akwa asem we di abre mo adenti na mekasa anopa mi sole se mi si nioma em se ye dan na echi obi yi TV I don't know say radio say den yo say aden no ti o meti say owusu ye fa ne say esa papa we o tabe o eden o preach o matches na matie no be ye 1 hour one quotation back Bible verse back kura wanye den one quote enti mo amudi adanse ye wa asoli bi o Ghana ha wuntumi nko adenti wunni sika asoli no wuntumi nko ye fa no nto nchen ye wa asoli bi o Ghana ha ye wa level bi o ha wo a wuntumi nko ti se Duncan Williams asoli Eastwood Anaba asoli Mensa Otabel asoli adenti sankrofo no umbo degree enko university ente brofo ente grammar asia e wo ko ho enye den enye yie nti abroa bitifie Duncan Williams asoli ontimi nko maami bitifie Eastwood Anaba asoli ontimi nko ho akokora bitifie sabi ye fa ne se Mensa Otabel asoli ontimi nko because sa abroa na akokora no brofo a omonka ho no omonka onti ase okokora sabi okose ne mmare na bom eye mfikyire de no na sabi obeye den obekọ mu wia mo se ye som nyankopon baako ye nkase mu obi nka brofo ubetimi aka obrofo all right but make sure say o mind na wutim no ye ya asantefo adanfo korobofo nti nka ye ko wura asoli dan mu a kasa mo beka ye beti ase na yetimi asesa ya brabo na nka mo ka ye kurom kasa na ye enu ti na Abraham bi mo se oba no unso di twi asante akankasa na start ye enye so onte brofo otimi breaki grammar ni otimi breaki one brofo ya oka wati ase brofo na ba na oye de oka ni ye sana de ye de ade ne tie nti yesre mo enya temididie mesafa akwanya nsu na machi obi bia especially management team mi cheche obi bia emmoa kasa ni afutu a mode ye de mode ma common sense family emmoa na weso yemu na edia bedu sesi a and then the topic ni ye Jesus and God who is wise or who is wiser Nyankopon in the Old Testament any Jesus in the New Testament why no ni nyansa me di quotation bekereo na me first quotation me quote first quotation na be ya topic first quotation no ene ebe gina so na ye de aye nkirekire anopa nkirekire me sere wa wo ba so a pia so wo so share na amanfo onya bi nya den enhwe this is the time for we the Africans to wake. If I am awaking, I have to awaken someone. Mesolia, na miso manyani obi na yatoaso. We will break Christianity, gradual process. Now, about thought, people thought say we are coming to flash and go. Dabi, yeah, but the system, common sense is to stay and stay forever because you can't disprove logic and common sense. Greetings to Mona Muye videos, Eddie Supporto, common sense, no. Ye Chiamina, Ahmed Farah, Kwa 44, your friend say Bismarck Pussy, Ahabai, ye Chiao, your friend say half bosom, half nipa, Mr. Kokwa, ye kum, ye Chiam, Nana Shady, ye Chiamina, ye Cheto Bipia, Maya, Elunia, Obian Fanny Bible. Why we need Bible this year? Trail pen, natural paper, neither natural quotation, and me back in kind. One, we were deceived by the Bible. Omo the Bible no na da ye. Nti e begina Bible kro no aso. Na da na omo de ato ya adwim. A ye bre, ye ntimi nkoyanim. Oman ni bre, oman ba ni bre, youth ni bre. Sebi Africa say atete apura pansam no. Na ye the Bible kro na de eden. E de akire na nsan mi nkoti a yankasa ye cruise bi enam na sei no muka hwe mono ye nti mu case me kan 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verses number 25 we ye Christoni na wa baso a ye din na tie we ye Christoni na afa na wo ba me se ye din na eden na tie de ba no enu nie me kan 1 Corinthians enye me amete ya na metwere ye twere no na me minni ho wo te da me ka no me minni ho kasa na ye de twere minnim o mu translate ba brofo na o mu chene me brofo na me so me ya den me kenkan wo te da me ka enu nie 1 Corinthians chapter 1 me kan verse 25 obi anya di no ntie aha na mo maye mo adwen se ye ka no kore kire mo a mo mpe eji so obi obe daada mo ye nua ye papa apreku na ye si wo de wawi enka ye mbom ena afa na nka yanya platform na nka yetimi aye den eyi ye mu adifo keka bia kire mo but first day na asem na ba ye no eye mu a Kristofo na sebe mo na mo se mo fra mo hu a Kristofo no mumbom ena mafa na ti ye de etwa na adapa twa no se ne so mframa na ebo no so ye nipa bonini ena omu bu nipa hwe asofo bi metie se asofo bi so omu nya ne nipa wo Ghana ha sebe owusu bempa go video bi se ono wanya ne nipa onka bi koro ka se nipa 4 hwe this is the time anka apreku ye no apreku mo ne wo ho ena mo ye nyame adwuma ana me boa mo gi akra e de amanya nkopon ena ono wewu efirim onka mo ho biom ti masoto common sense kire mo se adwuma no eso beti enti nkasabe mo woni panyane na mpa mutimi nyane nipa nke sese mo bo mpaye na mo nyane apreko na mo ka kire apreko se apreko adwuma no doso na apafo no ye den esa apafo no so enti nyane beka ye ho na enye adwuma no ye hu sada enti Abraham di Moses said the real sick people are in the hospital but the artists are in the church. Ayalefo ankasa no omugu hospital ena concert for eden egu asole den 1 Corinthians 1:26 me ka kire o se Nyankopon ye kwase a obeka se bra edie na wo kan abusu sembe na wo kan but wo Bible ba be kasa wo Bible no 1 Corinthians 1 Timothy 3:16 o se atwere nyina firi Nyankopon homiem ye di na tie eno ne se mo se mo mpa disua mo mpa no kore me say common sense mon support na yenko TV stations na yenko other TV stations na wo behu ye ma ye hu next 2 years next 2-3 years wo de wo behu de ebesi wo Ghana hwe ye nya 10 years mpo na Duncan Williams ne ye fa ne say Sandro for yo mo ho hye omi na ye sanya next 2-10-3 ye fa ne say 5 to 15 years wo behu ye be collapse Christianity na ye gradual process enu ne 1 Corinthians 1:25 mami kan or say, for what seems to be God, foolishness is wiser than human wisdom. And what seems to be God, weakness is stronger than human strength. Me kan yo Kristo ni me kan na machirem enuni. Or see, and for what seems to be God, foolishness is wiser than human wisdom. And what seems to be God, weakness is stronger than human strength. Mamin kan twi no na te ase yi. Mamin kan twi. Na ka se borofo no e na borofo. Ya ha ye nya borofo. Mamin kan twi na tie ni yiye. Onyankopon Bible no se onyankopon oye kwasea. Nti nyankopon ye nyankopon kura. Nkwasea asem kakra wo ho. Na ndem makotu nyankopon kwasea asem in the Old Testament. Wo bebo unsam. Nyankopon timi ya de utimi se sabi emprebiasa. We ye nkwasea asem. We ye nye. We nyankopon papa bi anya. Enye nyankopon bi na me ye no. Enye nyankopon bi na me ye no. Mu book no. Enti da bi Abraham bi Moses say, religion and your book has totally your friend say limited the creator, but not the true creator. Who tell America 1 Corinthians 1:25. Mami mboso. O si efri say, nyankopon kwasi asem wo nyansa cheni nipa. Na nyankopon mere ye den cheni nipa. Tio mi repeatio 1 Corinthians 1:25. Kristo ni wo Bible no. Koronto nhuma eti edi kan ntichemu aduonunum enu nie o si efri se nyankopon kwase asem nyankopon de nyankopon kwase asem nti ahano that means nyankopon oye in some part no oye kwase asem won ho kakra nyankopon timi di kwase asem no kore mekotu nyankopon kwase asem ama o Old Testament ebi na me boss go to in 3 days odi ye lesson ya hwe ndura wo TV so no nyankopon se nyankwase asema wo nyankopon David eno ye de okokenkan Israelfo nyankopon David ko kan Israelfo no wonim wo yawe ena nyankopon ko kenkan Israelfo nyankopon kenkan Israelfo nyina wie ye no nyankopon wanku David ene na asefo ena Israelfo na ye kenkan omo no omuti bebi omu dwe omo ho na David abekenkan omo without knowledge no omumbom na we ye de wuku omo ka tia ne se we eye nkwase asem nyankopon wa di nkwase asem mame nkan ne ento aso 1 Corinthians 1 verses number 25 yedina tie na Bible na ekasa irade kasa aso nyina ntie enye di ntie munye din na muntie dia honhom no e ka kira safo no ende honhom na ekasa 1 Corinthians 1:25 every say nyankopon kwase asem enti wo ye kristoni a every nneko kotesi we fatu wa adwi na hu se wo Nyankopon no nkwase asem wo na afa. I did not say it. I'm not saying it. Enyame na meka 1 Corinthians 1:25 na eka say Nyankopon nkwase asem. Enti ono pese o kire wo say people ndro okon wife won buy okon wife won buy okoda na wife won buy one every say Nyankopon nkwase asem e wo nyansa cheni nipa. That means baby Nyankopon jimi kura no Nyankopon jimie ya Christopher so nti book yi musia nti sabi mesere mu book yi musia book yi de nti we so say book yi mo kenkan ansa mo ba so dem we so say book yi mo kenkan ansa mo de entretere nti o pese o kire o say Nyankopon o jimie side. The foolishness side of God is even wiser than nipa. Nti ahano mami chire mu yi because we know ahana the topic, the basic and the foundation of ende additional. Nti me to me bo na ma ye den ma chire mu ama wa ye den what ya sie yi pa me chire mu ma what ya sie yi pa ahano person o chire o say the foolishness side of God, the foolishness side of God is even wiser than human being. Or person say the weakness side of God is even stronger than human being. And interest here, the tentini tiana say, Nyankopon na yenim say, oya ade nyina, o wotumi, o nimre chena, eni mundura, o nyansa, si obia no. Wow, there was some attribute bi, ya won susuye bi, ye de toto nipa ho a, ye mfa toto Nyankopon ho, ye timi ka se nipa ejimi. Yetimi ka se nipa ya kwasia, yetimi ka se nipa yale, yetimi ka se nipa yemre. Sa attribute no. So obi ka kire o say Nyankopon yale a, wono onyi ntum because woni say Nyankopon no, ye woni oma bia, ye mfa ntoto no ho, ye mfa nsusu no anameboa. But ubuku no, e wo 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verses number 25 ne kire o say Nyankopon kwase asem. That means Nyankopon oye adwuma odwen oye ade a etoda bia na nkwase asema befam ti se wuni padasani enunti na Abraham di Moshe pese wote ase say it was people who were creating book for a god nti omu creating book no nipa ya kwase anti omu ye Nyankopon kwase because nipa nkwase asem wo ya afa kakra utie se nkwase asem ni ya afa obi aso ni Facebook na wato ne bundle na wo wabaso wo baso na wo be ye nipa no embre kro nye nipa no na efre wo na wudi atem na wo ye goatu na wo ye aponche na wo ye kwasea na okwasea ikasa na wo nyensani wo begina ho na wutia mumu mienu no hwan na ye the biggest kwasea eya wo na wutie no twam no hu se wo kan kwasea seminti watwam ne to aso ya baka no kura kire mo amade ayem Nyankopon di nkwasea sem Mamin kan biem obedi nkwase asem wo the book of Numbers na Jesus atire ne nyansa enti wuni according to the New Testament omu create New Testament for Jesus to be wiser than the God in the Old Testament meko tu hwe mesremo mona eya me di post bibi to me page na mukotro sabi ena wajimi ena wo de wunni mi nyansa ena wo kuro ma yesei no hwe enyemu na menhwemu enyemu ena menhwemu enyemu ena meye de menhwemu me toaso enu ni ma me ko kan Numbers no fast Nyankopon de dum kwa asem sesi a hwe unse enu ni Numbers chapter 15:32 o open na twero fatuo Numbers 15:32 ma me so we ni kakra enu ni ayeshi ma me so eko na kakra Numbers 15:32 o open na twero to menkin kan sesi a twero to mi wie pe kona ko boboso nti ye be hyase ye be hwehwe nkwase asema Nyankopon ye de edi ye be hwehwe nkwase asema Nyankopon ye de edi Numbers chapter 15 verses number 32 enunye was it the man who broke the Sabbath according to the Old Testament o kire se na Israel for tie mi ye listen and listen good o kire se na Israel for na mesere so utie nti Nyankopon mo mbra bia ye fe no Sabbath edu every Saturday a mo nko adwuma mo nko bebi o mu ntena fie utie SMBC, Maminkai. Once while the Israelites were still in the wilderness, a man was found gathering firewood on the Sabbath. He was taken to Moses, Aaron, and the whole community, and we put under guide because it was not clear what should be done with him. Then the Lord said to Moses, Muntio, the man must be put to death. For the whole community is to stone him to death outside the camp. And only all children no camp no. Omo wesere no so no. Pepe bi na comedy no. Enunti na stove ni wo, na gas ni wo. Jaya African one ya. Obekọ kobubuja na odi abeye aduane. Ena papa no ko nwura nso kobubuja. Okoye de okobubuja. Enti okoye na ebinim tie ne se adenti no kobubuja. Moses say tio Moses say Nyankopon osembra no se obi kobubuja de ayemfa nye no Nyankopon mfa nka ho. Enti omontwen omonchichire nipa no kobubuja no de be ya aduane no obedidi no muntio Nyankopon bedi nkwase asem Yesu mbekere ne nyansa. Number 1532. Wotie all the way to 36. So pese wotie ase yi a. Enti Moses ema ye chechire papa no boduam ena Moses furu ko mountain no so. Baby ye ohia Nyankopon no tie. Ena Moses ko ka che Nyankopon se. O Nyankopon papa bi wakopeja wakobubuja na odibeya aduane. And then so ye Sabbath day. Wotie da meka no. Enunti sa papa no yenye ne den. Ena Nyankopon ka kire Moses se oba on kan kire Israel for no se obi kobubuja Sabbath day a ana se papa no kobubuja Sabbath day no omunsi na abo na omunku no. Wotie omunku papa no na enkrofo na aka no se na obi abaye steady na edu Saturday a mo obi anye den enko efoma nkobubuja. But in the New Testament Jesus beka kire us asem we eye nkwase asem na Nyankopon di ye no full nkwase asem our Mark chapter 2 me ba kenkan Mark chapter 2 23 to 27 tie say yemfa adwinye adwuma yemfa adwinye adwuma to mbeka kese Nyankopon oye kwasea 1 Corinthians 1:25 enye me na meka Nyankopon kwasea asem me be kan New Testament me wie Old Testament New Testament quotation be kire say ye no kore ampa na Nyankopon ye sadia o be Jesus be kire Nyankopon nyansa hwe mu New Testament no ye o baby wo ho a o kinkan a sa baby no kire se mu Nyankopon in the Old Testament sabi akane kakra Mark 2:23 ye tete Ghana ha eno mu bu afa ye so asofo edie sika adifo edie ajapade yesi yensu ya nyansa asofo si yesi yensu ya nyansa yesi yensu ya nyansa nyansa pa de yesi yenye de yensu ya tetiano mabu yensa what am I kind point no Mark chapter 2 verse 27 point no 27 Mamin shall 23 was it Jesus was walking through some cornfield on the Sabbath day as his disciples walking along with him they began to pick the ears of the corn. So the Pharisees said to Jesus, look, it is against our law for the disciple to do that on Sabbath day. That means Saturday. Yewadie bia yenye den yenye nti omu kasa ya ena Jesus obedu verse 27 tie dia Jesus ibeka yedi nati. And Jesus concluded the Sabbath was made for good of man. The Sabbath was made for the good of man. Man was not made for the Sabbath. Man was not for the Sabbath. Enye homida nti na yeye nipa na nipa nti na woye homida. That means Jesus person kire wo say edu homida ye won nioma bia obetimi aye den obetimi aye. But in the Old Testament no ye wadie bi wo ya Nyankopon se yenye den yenku enti Jesus person kire say enti se si ano wo hia Kristo ni na wo ka kire ne say tete no Old Testament yesi wo kọ efom homida yenku yensi wabo a obi ba ka kire wo say se si ade Yesu na ye den Yesu na ba. That means Yesu no onim nyansa say nyankopon no share Old Testament mbra say ye nye adwuma homeda no think and think twice dwe na dwe hu yi sa nyankopon we before that God was giving the law to the Israelites he never planned well that God lack plan into Jesus and then nioma betoto akwan say nyankopon homeda no ye ma nipa nti nipa wo ho kwan say otimi ye de ope e wo homeda nti Old Testament no ankrofo to homeda na wuku om no nyankopon sabi eye nkwase asem enkoyie sesia de mi Jesus maba maba yi de sabi homeda no ye ma nipa nti ye wo nioma bia sesia de obetimi aye den obetimi aye ana me boa enye sa na Kristofo kirem enye sa na Kristofo kirem ende so with the Old Testament ni ye adwuma obi be ka kire say na Old Testament no say edu homeda ye nkwa afum edu homeda ye nkwa babia na obi aka kire say si ade Yesu na ye den Yesu na ba that means mo pese mo kire ye say in the other way no Yesu oniminyansa say nyankopon ai because 1 Corinthians 1:26 was say nyankopon kwase asem eye nyansa se e wo nyansa se ni nipa nyankopon ne nkwasi asem ne nyankopon ne mareye enti mesrem Kristo di buku ben ena mudi eti a mo fre ne nyame aseni buku ben kura na mafa no World Cup na mafa bombo na mo fre ne nyame asemi enti da ben kura na yani be den yani be bie afi ukoka ombeka se Matthew 5:17 Jesus say wamba mbegu mbra no na mbom embra no obehye ne ma me ka kire wo se omoboa eye ntoro ne nada me na mka me kire wo Jesus Old Testament mbra obegu ni papa because according to the Old Testament so obi ko efom homeda na yekunu a mosi Yesu ngaba na hwe me pese me clear ade bi wo hansa ya to aso enye Yesu bi na baaye e na ya jai nipa kunkumu eye mbra ende yenku nipa sa nipa no kura kobọ kuro no na wache ne no mbra kire se menkunu fa no court na yenkodi na asem enti ukoka obeka kire se Yesu na abanti na etisa ende Yesu bia na abawo the book of Deuteronomy chapter 12 wo kan Deuteronomy chapter 13 what say obi ma mukosom bosom wo ye Israeli na obi daada o se munkosom bosom na mukosom bosom a nipa no dada no yetina yenkunu enne me pam chaw mesrew so bi ka kiro se bra yenko asole na asole na wo ko ye no enya asole papa mesrew me pa chaw wo betini akunipa no enne wo koka on be ka se adom ni nti Yesu na adom ni nti wonti bi nkum enye Yesu na adom eye Ghana mbra eye mbra be kiro se yenkunipa me nkunipa mbra be kiro se me nkunipa afe kanu nie afe anu nie the book of Deuteronomy 22:22 muntie nyankopon obeya ade bi sesi a na Jesus akire ne nyansa me ba wa Islam obi fra fam me di we ne ya obi fra fam yatete ya yiri book aba ebe kusua book na sabi ebe de nyansa be hwe wo yeti wa na omo di book ye de adada yesa o yele sia na man fra fam me ba cho mesrema we dey sorry why me pam cho mesrema yo me da say enu nie Deuteronomy chapter 22 verse 22 mamen kan na tie why Deuteronomy 22:22 mamen kan kwasi asem gu ho ye wia na Jesus akire nyankopon nyansa se nyankopon embra we yense enye mra ye hye nyansa nim next time nyankopon bo wiase asambra we men hye biem utie my study dada Deuteronomy 22:22. You know, what if a man is caught having intercourse with another man's wife, both of them are to be put to death. In this way, you will get rid of all of Israel. In this way, you will get rid of evil. Uti. Obeso chere say, ben mabi, ekofo biria, omutu nu yenga den, yenkuwon, na yenyi evil no, emfri oman mu. Hwe, obi kofo biria, enye bonsam bi na abehye ne mu, enye evil bi, wa plane, ena wona no koda yenyi bonsam fri. But wunim bibi, Yesu ebeye ade bi, ewo John chapter 8, verses number 1. Yesu beye ade bi kire Nyankopon se obi yo obi yere, no obi yo obi kunu, no omo koda kra. Enu nkwase yekuwon. Na sabi nkwase asem. John 8 verse 1. Tie dia Yesu ba be. John 8:1. John chapter 8. I'm say quotation we amanfo kanya. Eroni. John 8 verse 1. What say? Then everyone went home. But Jesus went to the mountain of Olives. Early in the next morning, he went back to the temple, and all the people gathered around him, and he sat down and began to teach them. The teachers of the law and the Pharisees brought a woman who had been caught committing adultery, and they made her stand before them all. That is Omakochi Mami Bia, almost or Bajamai, Mupacho Muntio, or committing adultery. That means only Obi Kuna Koyeden, Aquakoda, and on the Mamini Bray, Yesu said, Yesu, according to the law, Yankai, or see, they said, teacher, they said to Jesus, this woman was caught in the very act of committing adultery. In our law, Deuteronomy 22 now, me quote to you, 22 now, me quote to you, or Bekasimbi. In our law, Moses commanded that such a woman must be stoned to death. Now, what do you say, Utie? Utie dieba, Yesu bekere Nyankopon nyansa sisia. Hwe dia Yesu ye. Or say, they said this to trap Jesus so that they could accuse him. But he bent over and wrote on the ground with his fingers, and they stood there asking questions. He straightened himself up and said to them, whoever of you has committed no sin may throw the stone at her. Yes, we saw said, the onye bone dano on top of that. That means Jesus hiding. Were close to one. That means Nyankopon brana wo Old Testament say obi kunu obi yere. Na mu mienu no koda yenku ono Yesu na betwam. Yesu na yeden wo ba betwam na wo ko Matthew chapter 5 verse 17 ka kire me say mama mbegu mbra na mbo me be say ni muma. Afe kura na nke se sabi yekuni pa mo. Nti me ka kire embra na bi wo ho a eyan kwase asem Yesu obetwa mu papa we Yesu otwa mu wo me da obi kwa efoma yenkunu Yesu otwa mu yesi yemfa abi ni eduma eno ne ma nkai ma nkwase asem bi Nyankopon di ewo Old Testament Galatians chapter 4 verse 4 yeni obi ani asem ye Bible na ye kotu ti nyansa wo mu a na wahu nyansa ni mu a eno ano no Galatians 4:4 or see, but when the right time finally came, God sent his own son. He came as the son of woman, mother, and lived under the Jewish law. When the right time came, that means in the time of Moses, in the time of Abraham and the Old Testament, it wasn't the right time for God. Theo, book na making kind a grammar, bro, for English. And I'm making kind of when the right time comes. That means in the time of those Moses, Abraham, Isaiah, it wasn't the right time. In the time yet the right time, no. And Jesus here then oba, you know. So Jesus came at the right time and brought the right thing. So according to your New Testament, Jesus came and taught God sense. That God was foolish in the Old Testament, according to 1 Corinthians 1, verses number 25. The foolishness of God. I did not say it. I am only quoting it. It is from your Bible. Now, yentuaso. Hwade bi anyankopon ye ya. Yesu si nyansa nim tie. Hebrews 10:4. Me twa so ano no. Me wia no. Me pon ano no. Hebrews chapter 10, verses number 4. Yedi na tie di eba. Fa book yi welcome say book yi ena nyensa ena wanhu Bible na ena book no ena bibi ena bi nso ti babi say ena ye fa ne say e de na ha mo book we nyame ase book we nyankopon bi na twerɛ Hebrews chapter 10 verse 4 mama kan na ti e de nyankopon na ye in the Old Testament the ona ho ye Yesu mba ye no se nyankopon ye nkwase asɛm na enye saa biem yenye sa we na we ebeye we ni say na ebeye nti Christianity ayebasa Christianity confusion ayebasa Hebrews chapter 10 me kan verse 4 no simple what's it again what's it for the blood of bulls and goats can never take away sin for the blood of bulls and goats can never take away sin. Another person tell say in the Old Testament, nam ponche, ene nantwe, muja, entimi nye den, enyi bone nko. Ena Yesu, eba ese, eyono ne muja, ene betimi ayi bone. In this case, a person tell say, the God who gave that law in the law of Moses said, say obi ye bone se eba ne se obi fom na obi ye de nya momfa ponche mra momfa odwan ni nantwe mra no nyanko sa nyankopon no onye normal to give that law nka the best law nka se sa nyankopon no de man se nka se ne ba no ye den eba bewu na ode ne moja e replace mmoa mponche nantwe ene ye fa ne sen nko ye fa ne sen odwan enti Yesu mbaye no odwan moja yesi atwam aponche moja yesi atwam nantwe moja yesi atwam anything me question is say if this your God knew the only thing is the blood of Jesus, where was Jesus when Adam sinned? Anything mo pese mo kire say time Adam ye bone na mo si Adam aye bone na bone aka wiasi abone aka wiasi abone koso no na nyankopon nim no nim se eye Yesu mboja na betimi ayi sa abone na firi wa na Yesu wo he menua yemfa adwinye adwuma na nyankopon na wabo na that God was drunkard na wabo na wa ye confused to give that law. Enti da nyankopon no nim se odwan aponche ni nantwe moja enti mi nyi bone na mbom eya ne ba Jesus moja na betimi ayi bone. Enti I don't know say time na Adam ye bone no na Yesu no so ne moja no enoso enti o twen say Yesu benyini ti Yesu nyini wie ye na body na aba na moja na doso na betimi agi nipa no ansa na osoma no. Let's wise up. Yemfa adwinye adwuma na bi before ya adwen ada. Ya adwen no aye den ada yemfa adwen yen use adwen. The God and Jesus who is wise. When Bible na ka kire in the first place say this your God has the foolishness part. Ono no nyankopon no sebi jimie kakra ye den ebata no ho. Nti Yesu ene be kire ne nyansa. Yesu ne be ka kire ne papa say papa so obi ewokunu na obi wo yere mpo na omumiere no koda ye chewa yenkuwan yenkodi wo mo asem efata prison ayemfa no nko afei enu ne ba konso ne wo ha no Deuteronomy 21 verse 18 quotation we de buwa sa quotation we hwe Deuteronomy 21:18. And only what is suppose a man has a son who is stubborn, muntie mbra mo Nyankopon ma me ka kire o se muntie o muntie. According to the New Testament, Jesus is wiser than God. They created Jesus to be wiser than his father. Suppose a man has a son who is stubborn and rebellious, a son who will not obey his parents, even though they punish him. His parents are to take him before the leaders of the town where he lives and make him stand trial. They are to say to them, our son is stubborn, rebellious, refuses to obey us. He wastes money and is a drunkard. And so what? Afetie, maybe see and so what? The Atuason, Nyankopon Ebeka. Then the men of the city are to stone him to death. Yankunu, and Jesus by no say, Nyankopon pa. Yankunu say, and they say, Ebekunu dia, and they me de me moja ba be se ono nanan because nyansa ni yankwase asem. Nti menua me betwa bibia so me pese wote ase se the New Testament no there was some part bia the New Testament God who is Jesus is more 100,000 wiser than the Old Testament God. This is how they created the book. This is how they created the book. And we created the bread. Mini umiri na yejitum na yeka ho asema nipa unkonko sua ensua ya quote quotation kinkan na mo abon asofo abon ma ebi aka asolema asofo abon mo bon asofo abon ma ebi aka asolema ndi mu mpre adisua na yete Ghana ha na oman ni sei asofo ni adifo ayenye bi yeni ato omo so se omumpo ema omugina Nyankopon bi anim nti ohaw ba ye so ye yale ye peduma ye pesika omo na ye nko omo so na ye wonyame bi a omunsu mfra nyame no na omumbom ene omumbom ne eye den ebuye ti omo adwuma na egunu edwuma no seya na eye den ese no ye gu wondwuma ndwuma ni begu ye begu wondwuma omo ani begu ase mako omo ani begu ase one by one Ghana adifo ni asofo. We soli a wosi we ye konfo we soli a wosi we akodi aduro we soli a wosi we frɛ saman we soli a wosi we no o frɛ ma me wota we soli a wosi we no o ye okot we soli a wosi we akodi gen aden san kwasi asɛm yi wonko aburotire nkoti sa asɛm da min koti a papa bi nso ba ya na papa bi no oyodwontufo otonyo mire bi na oti US min koti a Nyankopɔn afrɛ no wo US se onka nyame asem onbeka onprichi akira mfa ma Jesus now US any Ghana himfa na bone wo himfa na bone ewo Nyankopon fra wo no wan fra wo se preach wo US maimu eburochire wo de nyame asem Jesus asem ye ka ye ntie wo ewo ne ye nim kwase asem enti no kogina obi mfichire nkikam se Yesu igbo oba mrebe na 21st century obi daso Kristo ni bi daso yeden rapture ohim 21st century a China fo ani abra omu breaki omu age technology koso na omu invest in nioma na amanfo e produce nioma for the nation for the whole world to be in a good and better place no obi twen say okay one day o se batakali se ya na hwem na aka batakali no nkwa o kosoro na yabede ne yasiesi o man no yaba yaden era yatete wona abrofo no control yen ena mpenifo ni buyen ena asofo ni buyen buyen enka no kore nkontompo ngaza te madam asi yedi bibia besia emre papa me besan hia biem mefa akwanya isu na machia ye boss Abraham Bi Moshe P Black Kochito Brasset DJ Fuad obi bia yeti obi bia any common sense abusiafo nyina bigger ende anopai ayamsomfo nsanwokoji ojumora ayedu akegi aka Yahuda Quintana ena meni muade den ayadisia no topic ni here God and Jesus who is wise nti kinkan quotations ni but don't forget 1 Corinthians 1 verse 25. The foolishness of God is wiser than human being, and the weakness of God is stronger than human being. That means Nyankopon emre, that means Nyankopon otumi yemre. Nyankopon otumi yemre just like that. Now on yemre a hwe asemu me say a Christopher go keke over Jesus and obi aka no lastly go keke over Jesus. Your God has nothing. That your God is powerless. That your God is powerless, and other side foolish. Wow, I did not say it. Yama yaninda ho. Yen support we no so. And a big up to all the slave queens. Big up to all the slave queens. Slave queens na ya mon kaye kakra. Why? What I say mon kaye? You know bibia se. You bibia besia. Big up. You church obi bia. I salute. CSF, you see adine nye djuma. Honam ne bebre. If the brain doesn't work, the body suffers. Thank you very much. Yebesan share beam. Bye bye.